we've got little owl chicks. And funny enough, last year we had only one little owl. This year we had already 6 of them. And but I've got what I'm going to do, because 2 are singles, and they spend about a week in the hospital. Today I'm going to move them together. But the way it works is, at the very beginning we keep our bird in small kennels, and then after that we move to something bigger, like bigger base, and that's the idea. So today I'm going to take these 2 birds, put them together, because at the end of the day, little owl chicks, you find them usually a clutch of 2 to 5 chicks. So it's try to make it as natural as possible for them. That's a little owl chick. Maybe them suggest they're very small, and he weighs 114 grams. He may, I don't know, he may gain maybe 80 grams more, and that's about it. He won't be that much bigger, to be honest. A little ring to identify the bird, obviously, and that's it. Just going to move in. Slightly older, this one, and this is very, very cute. 132 grams. Even if it's a small bird, you can see the talons already. The feet are quite big for the size of the bird.